Hello to all my friends out there. And so I'm making some dry rub pork chops. And today I was at McDonald's, and so, I got a free paper, and in there was the dry rub recipe, and boy, I am going to be loving this. I already did a video on dry rub, but I think this is going to be really good. I just used what I had. And so what I did was I put a little oil in the bottom of a pan, and I put dry rub on the bottom of the pork chops, and then I put dry rub on the top of the pork chops, and then I just want to drizzle a little oil. This is really easy. It'd be really good in a smoker too. Ooh. You have to drizzle a little oil or your pork chops can be dry. And so then I'll just put a piece of foil on top, and I'll bake the pork chops. I'll just keep an eye on the pork chops until, they're not, I'll cut a little piece off and try it. 3 tablespoons white sugar, 2 tablespoons smoked paprika, 2 tablespoons kosher salt, 2 tablespoons dark brown pepper, 1 tablespoon cumin, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce. I had steak sauce. I couldn't find mine. 1 tablespoon onion and garlic powder, 2 teaspoons chili powder, and 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper and black pepper. So this is going to be some good pork chops. And I have one of my stockpile Twinkies. Okay. I prefer not to eat any expired food whatsoever. But I looked up canned food. Canned food can be good if you keep it not in a hot place, in a cool, dark place, 1 to 4 years. Undented, 3 to 6 years. I noticed that my refried beans had a small dent, so I'll eat them as soon as I can. And all those canned foods were not expired at all. Eggs, 2 weeks after expiration. I prefer not to eat them, but 1 or 2 days is okay. Cereal, months after. Grains, 1 year. Okay, so I wanted to mention, you try to help people. It's not always successful. That's okay, but ultimately you end up helping yourself. So what occurred to me is you're likely to run out of fruit, vegetables, and bread. So I'll be stockpiling those food first. Then I started coupons and buy one, get one free, and that's going really well. And then today I found the food in the laundry room, and I thought, if you get a whole grain food like the pancakes and the pasta, that is really a good thing to do for your stockpile. Stockpile the pancakes that are whole grain pancakes. Those were good. I put 2 in the freezer for later, make a couple eggs. And then when I was doing the coupons, I found these really good recipes today. So it's all evolving. When you're trying to be helpful, it's not always successful. So I will be back, and I will put this dry rub recipe under comments. So God bless you all.